Prepare yourselves because we are about to unleash the incredible power of advanced military technology in today's thrilling exhibition. These are the 10 most powerful military weapons in use, ranging from enormous battleships brimming with ammunition to lightning-quick fighter jets piercing the skies. Number 10. MLRS 9K5 Smirch. Russia produced the 9K5 Smirch, commonly known as the BN-30 Smirch, an extremely sophisticated and potent multiple rocket launcher system, MLRS. Introduced in the late 1980s, the Smirch system is renowned for its long-range precision striking capabilities and the ability to saturate large areas with devastating firepower. It is designed to engage a wide range of targets, including enemy personnel, armored vehicles, command and control centers, and fortified positions. The system can launch 300mm rockets equipped with various types of warheads, including high explosive fragmentation, cluster, thermobaric, and even guided munitions for enhanced accuracy. The Smirch MLRS features a high level of automation, utilizing advanced fire control systems and satellite navigation to ensure precise targeting. With a maximum firing range of around 90 to 120 kilometers, the 9K5 Smirch plays a crucial role in modern artillery arsenals, offering a significant tactical advantage by rapidly neutralizing strategic targets across vast distances. Number 9. RS28 Sarmat. The highly developed intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, RS28 Sarmat, sometimes known as Satan II, was created by Russia to ensure a reliable and effective nuclear deterrent. This missile system is designed to replace the aging R-36M Voyvoda, S-18 Satan ICBMs. The RS-28 Sarmat is a massive and formidable weapon, equipped with advanced technologies to counter evolving missile defense systems. It boasts a reported range of up to 18,000 kilometers, enabling it to strike targets virtually anywhere on the planet. With its multiple independently chargeable reentry vehicles, IRVs, the Sarmat can carry a payload of up to 10 nuclear warheads, each with individual guidance systems to hit separate targets. This feature enhances its ability to overcome anti-missile systems by saturating defenses and increasing the uncertainty of interception. The missile's improved maneuverability, coupled with its ability to fly unpredictable trajectories, makes it a challenging target for any existing anti-ballistic missile systems. Number 8. AK600 M2 Doit. A naval close-in weapon system, CIWS, with cutting-edge technology and powerful defensive capabilities. The AK600 M2 Doit is extremely advanced. Developed by the Russian company Tula Instrument Design Bureau, this system is designed to provide protection against a wide range of threats, including anti-ship missiles, aircraft, and small surface targets. The Doit system is an upgraded version of the well-known AK600 CIWS, featuring enhanced radar and fire control systems, improved accuracy, and increased engagement range. It employs a combination of a rotary cannon mount and radar-guided targeting to effectively track and engage incoming threats. With a rapid-firing Gatling-style cannon, it can deliver a high rate of fire, sending out a torrent of projectiles to intercept and destroy threats in close proximity to the protected vessel. Number 7. Uran-9 UPD. A significant development in contemporary military technology is the Uran-9 Unmanned Ground Combat Vehicle, UGCV. Developed by the Russian defense industry, the Uran-9 is designed to operate autonomously or under remote human control in various combat scenarios. Equipped with a range of advanced weaponry, including 30mm automatic cannons, anti-tank guided missiles, and machine guns, the Uran-9 boasts formidable firepower. Its rugged track chassis enables it to traverse diverse terrains, while its modular design allows for customization based on mission requirements. The vehicle is also equipped with advanced sensors, cameras, and communication systems that provide real-time situational awareness to operators. Although the Uran-9's development has faced challenges in terms of reliability and operational performance, it exemplifies the growing trend towards incorporating autonomous and robotic technologies into military applications, thereby reducing risks to human personnel in high-threat environments. Number 6. TOS-1A Soaring. Using TOS-1A, Russia has created a powerful multiple rocket launcher system called Smirch, sometimes known as Sunburn in English. This advanced artillery system is designed to provide high-precision firepower against various types of targets, making it particularly effective in urban warfare and fortified positions. The TOS-1A is built upon the chassis of a T-72 tank, which gives it good mobility and maneuverability despite its substantial weight. The system's primary armament consists of 24 launch tubes capable of firing 220mm rockets armed with thermobaric warheads, which create devastating effects by releasing a combination of fuel and oxidizer over the target area and producing an intense blast and thermal wave. The TOS-1A system is known for its ability to neutralize enemy personnel, fortifications, and even light armored vehicles within a relatively large area, making it a potent asset in modern combat scenarios. Number 5. S-400. However, you might be referring to the S-400, which is a prominent and highly advanced air defense missile system developed by Russia. The S-400 Triumph, NATO reporting name, SA-21 Growler, is designed to engage a wide range of aerial targets, including aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. It is renowned for its long-range capabilities, versatility, and effectiveness in countering modern threats. The system consists of multiple components, including radar systems, launchers, and different types of missiles, capable of intercepting targets at various ranges and altitudes. Its ability to simultaneously track and engage multiple targets has made it a sought-after asset in international defense discussions and has led to geopolitical implications when countries acquire or express interest in obtaining the S-400 system. Number 4. Profense M134 Minigun. A prime example of contemporary heavy weaponry and mechanical prowess is the Profense M134 Minigun. Designed for the most demanding combat scenarios, the M134 is an electrically driven, multi-barreled rotary machine gun that is celebrated for its astonishing rate of fire, unparalleled even among its contemporaries. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the minigun showcases a robust construction using advanced materials, ensuring both durability and optimal performance. Its rotating barrels, often numbering 6, unleash a torrential downpour of high-velocity projectiles with remarkable precision, capable of decimating targets across air and ground domains. Typically mounted on vehicles, aircraft, or naval vessels, the M134 serves as a potent force multiplier, delivering suppressive fire or engaging multiple targets swiftly. Its advanced design incorporates features for improved heat dissipation and recoil management, underscoring its suitability for sustained bursts of fire. Number 3. MLRS. An advanced development in ballistic missile systems is the Multiple Independently Chargeable Reentry Vehicle, MLRS. It allows a single intercontinental ballistic missile, ICBM, or submarine-launched ballistic missile, SLBM, to carry multiple warheads, each capable of being independently targeted to different destinations. MLRS technology involves the deployment of multiple warheads on a single missile platform, which can be released at various stages of the missile's trajectory, thereby enabling it to engage multiple targets across a wide area. This capability significantly enhances a nation's nuclear deterrent and strategic capabilities, as it complicates enemy defense systems' ability to intercept and neutralize incoming warheads. The development and possession of MLRS technology have prompted arms control agreements due to their potential to increase the destructive power and complexity of nuclear arsenals, emphasizing the delicate balance between strategic stability and disarmament efforts on the global stage. Number 2. Archer Artillery System. With its seamless fusion of cutting-edge innovation and tactical adaptability, the Archer Artillery System is a stunning example of contemporary artillery technology. Developed by the Swedish defense company BAE Systems Bofors and in service since the early 2000s, the Archer system has gained international recognition for its innovative features. At its core lies a highly mobile 155mm/L52 howitzer, mounted on a 6x6 wheel chassis, which provides exceptional agility and rapid deployment capabilities. What sets the Archer apart is its autonomous and computerized operation, enabling a small crew to control the entire firing process remotely. This includes advanced features such as automated ammunition handling and rapid firing capabilities, allowing for a sustained rate of fire. The system's outstanding range, accuracy, and rapid repositioning capabilities make it an invaluable asset in both defensive and offensive operations. Number 1. Cluster Munition. Weapons called cluster munitions which consists of a shell or container that scatters a large number of tiny explosive submunitions over a specified target area, are incredibly contentious and frequently criticized. These submunitions are intended to spread out and cover a larger geographic area, posing a threat to both military personnel and civilians. While cluster munitions are designed to disable enemy vehicles and infrastructure, their indiscriminate nature often leads to severe humanitarian consequences. Unexploded submunitions, also known as DUDs, can remain hidden in the environment long after a conflict has ended, posing a persistent danger to civilians, particularly children, who might mistake them for toys or everyday objects. Efforts have been made internationally to address the issue of cluster munitions, culminating in the Convention on Cluster Munitions, which bans the use, production, transfer, and stockpiling of these weapons. Despite these advancements, cluster munitions still pose a significant threat in regions where they have been used historically. Our demonstration of the most powerful military weapons in action is now complete. Please subscribe if you share our interest in learning more about our upcoming videos. We appreciate your time and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.